Are you trying to make real money online?
Or real money from home?
Here's how to get every single thing you need to finally be successful.
All at no cost to you.
Yes, a 100% complete free marketing system. Free sales funnels
That do all the selling and telling for you. Free done-for-you follow-up emails.
that do all the follow-up for you on complete autopilot. Free training for you
And your team, meaning we will guide you through every step of the journey
and ensure you know exactly what to do. And as you generate sales and your new members get started,
It's hands-off for you, as your complete marketing system will train everyone for you. Let's face it,
you wouldn't be watching this video unless you wanted to make more money, right? Now, if that is in fact why you're here,
watch this entire video and you will see how in just a few minutes from now, you can get your hands on this done-for-you marketing system, all
at zero cost to you.
John here from Houston, Texas.
My name is Anthony from Springfield, Georgia.
Jamie from Utah.
Hey, it's Ari here from Wisconsin.
Kayla here from Alabama.
Did you know that 98% of people who start a home-based business give up in their first 30 days?
Did you also know that most online newbies quit in their first 30 to 60 days due to feeling overwhelmed, not supported, or just flat out scammed?
Are you sick and tired of trying opportunity after opportunity?
And none of them seem to work or provide you with the income results they promised you in the video?
Because of this free and simple training, I've been able to easily rank up to the top of the leaderboard as well as earn over $10,000 in the last month.
And let me tell you, it's an amazing experience. Get plugged in with our team. We'll take you to the next level.
So beyond excited to be part of this truly industry-changing team. Nowhere in marketing will you find a team and leaders who are more dedicated to your success. And hold on, because your life is going to change.
Within 3 days of working with them, I was able to get 7 sales, 7 referrals using the exact methods that they teach.
Here's your typical scenario.
You join an online business, the video sells you on that what could be yours, the big fat commissions, living the laptop lifestyle.
And all you need to do is just click the button below. Trust me, I get it. I've been there too and also fell into that same trap.
The dangling shiny object, the grass is greener syndrome. And let me guess,
Every time you went to sign up for a new opportunity, you think to yourself, I'll finally make it with this opportunity here. And only after you sign up,
you get into the members area and realize you have no clue what you're doing, no support, and you don't even know what you signed up for.
and we wonder why it's so hard for people to make money online.
Shouldn't it be easy to get started?
So how in the world can you finally break free? What exactly is it these gurus or successful online entrepreneurs do to make it?
There's got to be a better way, right? You know, you've seen those people on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram timelines living it up.
Enjoying life, posting about how awesome life is. So what is it that they know and you don't?
What we're about to share with you can be the one difference that helps you truly break free from the same old results you're used to getting.
To finally getting the support, training, and understanding of how this making money online thing actually works. Luckily for you,
There's a solution. Our 100% free marketing system, which has been teaching, coaching, and training people just like you how to copy, paste, and profit.
starting from scratch with little to no experience. Let's get down to business and talk for a second about how this really works and why our free marketing system works so well.
None of this would be possible without people actually going to your website. If prospects are not going to your website,
You're not making money. Period. End of story.
our proven system works so well, we're going to show you firsthand the exact same methods that we use to generate our own leads.
Right from scratch, every day at zero cost to you. And yes, this works.
Even if you have no following, no friends or family, have never done this sort of thing before, or have tried and failed.
Our proven system has been just that,
Proven
time and time again.
for any member who goes through our training and chooses to apply what they learn. I know this sounds too easy, but our simple system that you're about to get free access to is going to help you do two things.
First thing it's going to do is help you generate massive amounts of leads per day. And you do this on your chosen schedule, around your job or your family. The more leads you learn to generate,
The more money you will be able to make. Don't know how? That's what we'll teach you for free.
Now, the second thing this system will do for you
Is help you build massive walkaway income. We're talking real income with real products and services inside a real business that's been around since 2006.
This is the type of income leverage that gives you the ability to work less and make more, breaking you free from a dead-end job and allowing you to spend time with those you care about and doing the things you truly deserve to do.
Hi, this is Lance Sumner out in Springfield, Virginia, and I've been using this awesome system and funnel that has already created 5 sales just within 2 weeks, and that is amazing.
Our 100% complete marketing system does all the selling and telling for you,
meaning you don't have to worry about what to say or how to say it or have to worry about selling anything. It's all done for you.
You just simply copy, paste, and profit. It has multiple free sales funnels built right in, with 3 different income streams plugged in on the back end.
Meaning all the techie stuff is already done for you. You simply share and earn.
It has endless emails following up every day with every single person that visits your site.
Meaning you don't have to worry about email autoresponders, code, or any of that tricky setup. We do all of it for you at no cost to you.
And yes, it will guide you and your new members through every step of the way, which means your only focus is copying, pasting, and profiting.
All of the training and proven how-to steps is left to us.
Hey, Jeff here from Las Vegas, Nevada. I just had to mention that not only was I able to rise up through the ranks quickly and start seeing my commissions, but thanks to their simple site, I'm able to plug in my members quickly, and they're already starting to receive results also.
You see, since 2016, my business partner Kirsty and I have been working online with people just like you, teaching, coaching, and training you
how to plug into a simple and easy to follow system, be a part of a dynamic and supportive community, all while being able to earn full-time income right from home
without having to report to a boss or a job. Hey, my name's Daniel.
And I'm Kirsty.
And before we explain what the system is and how you can get your hands on it, we want to ask you a question.
Do you have an extra 20 minutes per day that you're willing to set aside to perform simple tasks like copying and pasting that will then net you a 5-figure monthly income? Let us ask you another question.
Do you want industry experts, people who have already made a fortune online, been featured in countless webinars, spoken on stage around the world, and won many awards for being top earners in dozens of companies, do all the selling, training, coaching, and hand-holding for you
while you sit back, follow our simple training, and earn commissions, all while you're at home, your job, or on vacation? Well, if you answered yes,
then today's your lucky day, because that's exactly what our system does.
Hey, Katie from San Diego, California. Since this training and team keeps it super simple, not only am I getting results, but every team member I plug in here is also able to get started and see results very quickly.
Person after person, whoever is applying what we are teaching is seeing amazing income results.
Take Catherine here. She has been online for a few years now. She had jumped into opportunity after opportunity with more of the same mediocre income results.
And after she started applying what she learned with our free system, things really started to change.
Catherine here from San Antonio, Texas. I was able to immediately plug into our exclusive team training site that is laid out super simple. And not only was I able to get results, but every single one of my new members followed the easy steps, is able to quickly see a result as well.
And then, like clockwork, more and more members were having similar income results.
Jason Jordan here, our team. I can't say enough about the team. The training site is amazing. I was able to come in and within the first 10 or 12 days, made 5 sales, got monetized just like that. Don't hesitate. You need to be here. You need to be on this.
Now, let's talk about how all of this is possible.
In order for us to give you a 100% complete marketing system at no cost to you, we have to have a product or service to sell on the back end.
Or else, we would just be giving you a system that markets a system, which frankly would be unethical and not at all how we roll.
We have partnered with a business that not only helps our members make more money in a week than some make in a year.
This business also helps our members save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on their existing monthly bills every single month. Kind of like one of those fancy members only clubs.
But oh yeah, it's global and in over 140 countries around the world. And it's helping our members reduce their monthly bills by up to 50%. Yes.
You are about to start a real business, a business that pays you every Wednesday like clockwork, a business
that's been around since 2006 and has a AAA rating with the Better Business Bureau, a business
that will handle all the customer service, the phone calls, the website maintenance, merchant accounts, commission checks, and all the hard stuff that no one wants or knows how to do. A business
that has real products and services. You simply select your gold, platinum, or titanium membership level, whichever best fits you. Do you want more savings or less savings?
Do you want to earn more money or less money? The choice is yours. So whether your goal is to become debt-free or whether it's to go on more vacations or hey, just flat out remove yourself from the rat race you're stuck in,
this system is exactly what you've been searching for. You deserve to finally get out of that rat race. Your family deserves it. And that's why we're giving you our proven training system, funnels, and email follow-up all for free.
And now you have two choices. One,
you can either continue to waste months or even years and hundreds or even thousands of dollars trying to figure it out for yourself. Or two,
you can just go ahead and click the button below to enroll into your membership, and we can give you our proven marketing system.
The same one that you're looking at right now. And remember, we're giving you every single tool, video, training, funnel, and system you need to make it work for you
around your schedule at no extra charge. You just pay for your membership
and don't sweat any upsells ever. We will give you everything you need to attain the income you deserve.
These are the same tools that are helping our members on a daily basis. So here's how it all works.
After you click the button below this video and enroll into your membership, we're going to give you instant access to our entire automated marketing system. You'll have your own website and done-for-you marketing system,
just like the one you're on right now, which is responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions to our team members. Next,
when you start marketing this system using our targeted methods we'll share with you in the members area, you will earn a $10, $50, or even $100 commission for every member who pays their monthly membership when they go to your page.
Just one referral a day could be an easy $700 per week just by sending people to this page.
And we've got members who are doing dozens of sales a day, like clockwork, every single day. $100 might not seem like a big deal,
but it actually is. And the only thing you'll have to focus on is copy, paste, and profit. So time's running out.
Go ahead and click the button below this video right now. Once you create your account below, you'll be granted immediate access to our done-for-you and proven training system, funnels, email follow-up, community, and more. Please be aware,
because of the massive success of this offer and our proven system, every hour we're enrolling new members.
First come, first serve. And if you say yes today, new members just like you that get started today
could be placed directly with you, which means you could be earning from the efforts of others. You see,
all new members get placed in the order that they enroll.
So if member A enrolls at 10 a.m.,
member B enrolls at 11 a.m.,
and member C enrolls at 12 p.m.,
members B and C are placed with member A.
Member A can now earn from the efforts of members B and C.
The more members that enroll in a day, the more members get placed with the first member to enroll that day.
So the sooner you get started, the sooner we can begin placing members with you. And yes,
the way the compensation plan works, you can earn from every single member we place with you.
So the sooner you act,
the sooner you can earn.
And have no fear, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. If for whatever reason you don't want to be making money using our proven system and decide making money from home isn't a fit for you,
you can cancel your membership at any time. But if you're like many of our members who have broken free from that day-to-day grind within months of starting,
who now enjoy daily income on autopilot, you'll stay on and quickly understand the power of what you're about to get your hands on.
And $100 to $500 days right from that device you're on will seem like a walk in the park.
So go ahead and create your account now. Select your membership by clicking the button below this video.
Don't let another minute go by allowing other new members to get your commissions. You deserve more. Now is the time to act like it.
Click the button below this video now. Get started, and we'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.